how to add the recently played music widget to the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, touch and hold on a blank spot. Next, tap on the Edit button, and then tap on Add Widget. Next, we scroll down, and in here, we're going to tap on Music Widget, and then you can swipe across to choose a small size or a medium size or a large size widget. After you have selected a size, tap on the Add Widget button, and this will add your recently music widget to the home screen. And then you can tap on Done to finish. Now if you tap on the widget, that will open up the music player. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.